Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and readiness. Backup to cloud or PC and verify files. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging because a DB and fastboot will be required. Make sure the bootloader is unlocked. You cannot flash a stable image without it. Next, download the official factory image matching your device model. Verify its checksum so you avoid a corrupted file. Now connect your phone to the computer and keep it charged. We're moving into flashing in the next step. You will now flash the stable Android image. First, reboot into bootloader and confirm your PC sees the device with fastboot devices. Then extract the official factory image and either run the vendor flashall script or execute manual fastboot flash commands for radio, boot, system, and vendor. Watch the terminal. If a partition fails, repeat checksum verification and re-extract the archive. During flashing, do not disconnect the cable. An interrupted flash can brick the device, so proceed. After flashing, reboot into the system and be patient during first boot. Android may optimize apps for several minutes. Once the phone boots, sign in, re-enable developer options only if needed, and restore your backup. Make sure Play services and system updates are functioning. This confirms a clean downgrade from the beta. If you hit a boot loop or repeated crashes, re-enter bootloader, re-flash the factory image, and perform a cache or factory reset from recovery. If problems persist, consult device-specific support for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.